Hello everyone, this is Austin for Raw Bliss. I just weighed myself for the first time in a while, but since my 19-day fast, and I just looked and it was 56 kilos, 123 pounds. Oh, it's like I haven't been this light ever in my life. I used to weigh 230 pounds once upon a time. So that's pretty amazing. Alright, so I am on a hike right now up in the mountains of Rishikesh, heading to one of the few waterfalls they have here. There's lots of little trail offshoots here, but I'm sticking to my goal. Been walking for about an hour and a half now, going all the way up the Ganga River, and then back around up the mountain road. So I'm excited. Get that fresh, cold Himalayan water. Get those negative ions, flush out all that crap in my body, neutralized and calm. And oh wow, the view is amazing. It's all of Rishikesh down there. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know if this video does it justice. All the mountain just keeps getting higher and higher. I found the waterfall, you guys. So exciting. Look at that. Oh my God. What? Crazy. Well, this is what I get for coming in dry season. Hasn't been much rain, so I guess this is the result. Nice hike nonetheless. I love the views. I try to capture it the best I can. But wow, this place is really beautiful. It's so amazing. So about a 2-hour hike. I think that's good for the day. I'm gonna go back to my hostel, rest up, get some sugarcane juice, go for a swim in the Ganga. Yeah, see you guys soon. Some sugarcane juice down. Live and mint. It's just the best ever. Good morning, everyone. About ready to break my fast. 20 days. It's been amazing. This is the Kazar variety. Never tried it before. Wow. It's a very complex flavor. Reminds me of the harum manis from Bali. Very sweet, floral. Almost like a perfume. This is the best one I've had so far. Getting juice all over myself. Wow. about 7 o'clock in the morning now. I like to break my fast early so that my body can properly digest for a couple hours. And then I can go back to juices in the afternoon. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wow, my ears just cleared up. I could hear so well now. Thank you guys for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.